If you're 21 years old, you can actually get Amazon Prime free for 6 months. There's a link in the description that will take you to this landing page where you can get a 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime. You have to be between 18 and 24 years old, or if you're a student, you can also get this Amazon Prime for young adults. Used to be Amazon Prime Student. And after the 6-month free trial, Amazon Prime is actually only half off after that. So it's $7.49 a month after the trial, so you can also get that discounted rate. And you get 5% cash back, which you don't get on the regular Amazon Prime subscription. Now, if you're not between 18 and 24 years old, then you can go ahead and click this link down here, which will get you a free 30-day trial of Amazon Prime. And then after that, you'll pay full price unless you qualify for the Prime Access membership, which is like the financial aid or government assistance membership. You qualify for that as well. There's a link here on the right-hand side for that. But if you're 21 years old, you can do this free 6-month trial of Amazon Prime and get Amazon Prime for free with the link in the description.